La, naaalala niyo na naman po si Lolo. Nung araw na yon, tinanong ko ang sarili ko, paano ko ba sisimulan ang paglalakbay na ito?
Kaya naman na Pilipino na marinig ang katotohanan.
Utos ni General Del Pilar, wala kang pakialam.
Dahil katotohanan na rin naman ang pinag-uusapan natin. Sige,
Consumatum est!
ano ang katotohanan sa pagkamatay ni Antonio?
I am authorized and directed by the President of the United States to proclaim the independence of the Philippines as a separate and
Come with me. And you'll be in a world of pure imagination. Take a look and you'll see into your imagination. We'll begin with a spin, traveling in the world of my creation.
As we end this journey, let us remember our history and embrace the freedom it has given us. May our reflection lead us to a better tomorrow, filled with hope and possibility. Thank you for being part of this history.
Thank